Hi, I'm Joel, and I'd like to talk about my big deck a little bit more. Originally, I left this opening here. I planned on running the staircase straight that way off the side of it. It was a plan that was conveyed to everyone on the management team in charge of this project. They have since decided they don't want it to go that way, and the issue with running it this direction is going to run into the fence. One option that I was actually pretty excited about. I don't want to do it anyway, but you know, timing and design work and all that. So I decided to build a spiral staircase to connect that. Now, I did some math. This is only 5'9". I just kind of made a, I like to say is an educated guess, but very little education. Whatever height that is. I knew the spiral could not continue underneath the platform, otherwise I would have to duck, and I'm not building something that's gonna be inconvenient for me. I did some math up with nearly 180 degree from start to finish spiral staircase. Now, it was hard to try and visualize it in the space. I went ahead and scaled it. I had a friend of mine cut out all the pieces on his plasma, and I welded together a little scale model. Full size, we're gonna use a 4.5 inch diameter heavy wall pipe. The stairs are gonna connect to that. Now, this is just for proof of concept, prove out my math, make sure that my landing was gonna be where I thought it was, you know, just be able to visualize it in the space, because I am probably going to have to orient it a little bit differently, and the platform that I build at the top, the landing, may have to have a little angle cut into it. But anyway, it's a cool little project. I'm going to edit the video together of me welding this all up. Didn't take me very long. It was pretty easy. But yeah, I thought you guys would think that was an interesting update. Also, this is pretty plain Jane. Files that I drew up for the actual stair, a lot more ornate, you know, cutouts and all the steps and everything. This was just purely just for a 3D representation. If you like what you see, follow along.